What's going on, guys? My name is Flavio. Let's go to day 9 of Advance of Cyber 2022. So let's get started. Let's first go through the story and then we will get to the challenges and we'll answer the questions. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I've read the whole thing. Now let's get started by starting the machine. They recommend to use the browser version of Kali, but I have my own box, so I'll be running it. Okay, it's loading my virtual machine. This from yesterday, leave page. We'll create new folder for today's. We need IP address for the machine. Let's see, we got it here. Oh. Let's run the console. The Metasploit framework is loading. Let me run the nmap. SV. What else? C4. I think this is the default one. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's, as you can see, the nmap has finished. We have port 8 open. So let's go to the website. It's using Laravel version 8.26. Let me search. Okay, let's search for Laravel 8.26.1. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. Okay, strong ignition. Realize system of that loss. Okay, this one. This module allows execution, remote code execution. So let's see it. One. Let's see what options we have to set. Set that host to extend. Say 246. Okay. What else? Since we are looking for reverse shell, let's set to local extend. Let me double check what's my IP address. Okay. 10.11 108. Oh, 108. We'll be using port 444, 4444, and what else? We can provide a proxy, but it's not required. Let's run it and see. Let's first see options. Okay. Let's run. Don't target appears to be vulnerable. It seems like we have a session open. Okay. Background. This one. No, actually. We can background it. Yes, we can. Yes. This is sections. Okay, we have background section. Now we have to use interpreter. Post multi manage shell to meta. Okay, options. Let's update the session. Sections 1. Update. One, I guess. Let us open another session. Let's give it a minute. In the meantime, let's answer some questions here. Deploy the virtual machine and which fields or ports are open. It's 80. What framework is the web developed with? As we have seen, it says Laravel, but we can double check with the network update. Let's check the header. Yeah, powered by PHP 7430. And it says here Laravel session. That means it was created with Laravel. Let's go back. What CVE is the application vulnerable to, which is Ignition. Let's double check. We are already using it. Ignition Laravel debug. Background. It's taking some sessions. Here we have 2 sessions open. Let's see, search Laravel. Jesus. Info. If we check the information for number 1, we may see the CVE. CVE 2021-31. Yeah, it looks like 2021, 21, 29. In 21, 31, 29. Let's search by CVE. We see CVE 20, 21. Yeah, it's the same. So this is the CVE. Copy from here. I think we have to put CVE in front of it. Yeah. What command can be used to create the last session? So we already done that. It's session U1, which is the last one. What file indicates a session as open within a Docker container? That is a file located at the root session interactivity. Okay. Sessions I2 interact with section 2. Okay, this is info. So Linux machine. So let's navigate to the rule. You see, we have seen a file called .docker env. Let's see what's inside. Okay, env. Let's download it so we can open it on this machine. It's here in Kali. Let's open a new terminal. Maybe it's empty. It's empty. But that means that Docker is running. So it's at the root. Docker what file often contains useful potential for applications. That's the, let's see. The application is at the wall. At the W. Let's see. Now, if you know anything about software development, this .env file is where we put credentials and secrets for the application to load. So let's download it. .env. Go back. .env. Here we see we have a lot of information. App key page 62. Oh, interesting. Let's see what's this. Copy. Echo. New line. Page 64. Decode. Interesting. Yeah, that's gibberish. But yeah, this is the file. Let's answer the question. Maybe what database contains useful credentials? Oh boy. Now we have to, let's see, what's the database IP address? The host is web service. Let's see. Web service database. Now if I go here and type resolve, yeah, resolve See, we got the IP address of the server database. Let's see what we got in this in the route. Print. Oh, we have to background it first. PG. Okay. Well, great. No routes defined, so let's add one. Oops. Let's see what. How do we add the route? IP address. Routes 172.28.1. I think we have to give it a name. Missing argument to route. Add. Make new route. Add subnet. I gave a mask. Let's give it 24. But then we have to give it a number at the end. Cannot add to a specific section. Right. Okay. Yeah, that's the session we should route through, which is session number 2. Which is the session that she's using Metasploit. Cool. What do we use? Sessions. So number 2. Sessions. Right. Yeah, as okay, here we are. Let's see what's in the database. Factories, migration fields. Yeah, this is a lot of welfare system. So how do we log into the database from here? So the username is Postgres, database is Postgres, password is Postgres, port 5432, and host it's background, and then Postgres. Let's search for Postgres. Let's see if we have any tools to use to access the database. So Postgres. Okay. It's kind of schema done. Okay, we have to done the schema. use this number 16. Or maybe let's save push save this module 11 so we can use it later. Try to log into the database, I guess. Oh, 11 and 9 as well. And that will 11 will allow us to send SQL command, and I think 9 will allow us to log into the database. So let's say 11, so 9 as well, and use, oops, let's save the shell to Metasploit into the stack. Stack. Let's see what we got in the stack. This is not one. Oh. Let's see, how do we check what we have saved in the stock? Show display modules. List, yeah, list. Okay, it has been saved. What were we were going to use to dump the schema? And the rest of it already has. Now, how do we use the route, the IP address? We'll save for route print. Yeah, that's the IP address. That's false. 72. I'm sure there is an easier way to do it, but I'm using what I have on my toolbox. Password, display results, Postgres, blah 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 blah. Now we should just, let's first of options. Create easy stuff filled in. Let's run it. Nice. We have the tables, columns, users. We have the table called users and user ID secrets. I'm sure the one you will use is users. What is Santa's password? And that should be inside the table. And with the private keys. Now, search Postgres. Let's see how do we get the data from the table. Use 11 info. Well, it says this much will allow him to execute it against the Postgres instance, given the appropriate credentials. Google search host. Oh yeah. Route. Let me see how we can use the route more efficiently. Let us just set route print. To set host. We could also use save all this data in a database in Metasploit's database, but cool for both. Yes. Now let's see, database. What's the name of the database? Let's double check. Could be search database Postgres. Now, the SQL statement we need to set SQ, which is select, maybe it's in quotes, select, which use it. One. Yay, we got the result. Santa's password. Copy. Now I'll open the host machine. Working fine. Now come here to proxychain, make the request. Okay, it's open. So port 22 and 80 are open, as we can see here. I was having issues because proxychains use 9050 by default, but I had Tor running on 9050, but I've stopped the Tor proxy and ran the SOX proxy inside Metasploit. Now it's working fine. Now let's try to connect to now. What use search push. Let me save use proxy. Now search for SSH login. Use the first one. The options. It seems like I've already set the password to center. I mean the username to center and the password I found in the database. Let's just run it and see what we get back. Okay, my bad. I don't think I'm using set. Yeah. So the AoC has to be the job address. Zero. Run. Now it should be fine. Yep, that's right. Seems like we got success. Who am I? Who am I? Yeah, session has been opened. Okay, cool. Now we are. Let's see the sessions. So we got open sessions. Yeah. Let's use session 3. You update 3. Oops. Sessions interact with section 3. Let's see. Okay, that's it. As you can see, we are in root folder. Let's see. .txt, and here is the flag. Copy. As you can see, I already done the port 22 and 80 that I've found. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.